Imagine you walk into your house. You smell fresh flowers in the air, or maybe you smell sweet lemons or oranges. Your home looks nice and smells great every day. It feels like a safe and happy place. Having plants inside is more than just decoration. Plants help make your home calm and cozy. Today, I'll show you 7 awesome houseplants with nice smells. These plants can make you feel happy and help you relax after a busy day. They can change your room and make it smell fresh and peaceful. Are you ready to meet these cool plants? Let's get started. Jasmine is a houseplant with beautiful white flowers and a sweet smell. Its scent can fill a room and help you feel calm and happy. Jasmine likes bright, gentle sunlight and soil that is a little bit wet. Put it near a window and water it when the top of the soil feels dry. Jasmine is easy to care for and makes your home feel peaceful and special. Gardenia is a beautiful plant with shiny green leaves and white flowers that smell sweet. Put it in a bright spot, like near a sunny window. Water it when the top of the soil feels dry, but don't let it sit in water. Gardenia makes your home look and smell special. Lavender is a plant with a calming scent and beautiful purple flowers. Place it on a sunny windowsill. Water only when the soil is dry. Lavender is easy to care for and makes your home feel peaceful. Citrus trees are cheerful and fill your home with a fresh, sweet scent. Their colorful lemons and oranges look beautiful and make any space feel sunny. Citrus trees love sunlight. Place them by a big sunny window to help them grow and thrive. Eucalyptus smells super fresh. Its round, silvery leaves look cool. Put it in a sunny spot and don't water too much. Enjoy the fresh scent every day. This is the vanilla orchid. It smells sweet, like vanilla. Its vines climb up sticks and poles. It needs bright light, but not too much sun. Spray it with water to keep it happy. Mint smells fresh and clean. It is easy to grow at home. Mint grows fast and looks great. Try mint for a happy, fresh home. These plants make your home smell nice and feel happy. Try one and see how it brightens your day. Thanks for watching.